I am here in the H&H Color Lab Sports booth with my good friend Sean Cantrell, and we are here to feature a different side of the photography business. We're going to talk about volume sports, and H&H is one of the best at that in the industry. And so, Sean, what's new with sports at H&H?
Well, a lot's been new with the sports, actually. One of the biggest things we're featuring right now is knockout sports. So the ability to go out, photograph, pose, light, however you want, extract the individual and put in some more exciting interacting graphics, some dynamic graphics, basically.
So you take a photographer's sort of like run-of-the-mill on a white background, green background sports photo, and you guys will do all the back-end work to make it look super awesome with lightning bolts and unicorns and stuff.
Not quite unicorns, but yes, exactly. And it doesn't have to be white screen or green screen. It could be in an open field if you wanted to, or a brick wall.
Well, that's pretty handy, and it seems like that'd be pretty hard, but you guys are making that easy, making it easier for the photographer.
Absolutely, absolutely. We're creating the ability for the photographer to be able to upsell this feature. So if you still want that open field, take an in grin, you've got it. But if you need to engage that high school, those older athletes that aren't excited about it anymore, well, let's create a systematic, automated way to be able to offer that to them as well.
That's a pretty killer service. Can you show me an example of it somewhere around here? Is it like this kid right here?
This is a great example right here. We're calling this our Apex Pro series. So it features an extracted individual. We're also doing team knockouts as well. We've got fully automated personalization for the individual, as well as team matching colors as well.
So they'd be able to put the student's name or the athlete's name into the photo, and that's on the client end they'd be able to pick that, or the photographer end?
Either or. So we do have an online retail that allows the client to enter in that information for the photographer, and that just loads directly into the software for them.
Sounds like you guys are solving all kinds of problems.
We're trying to.
So where can people go to find out more about H&H Sports and what's going on?
Sports.hhcolorlab.com.
That's perfect. You heard it here first. They will do all the work.